Welcome to Kirloskar Institute of Advanced Management Studies. Kirloskar Institute of Advanced Management Studies was set up in 1991 by Kirloskar Group Harrier. It was set to bring its illustrious leader Lakshmanrao Kirloskar's thoughts and ideas to practice and train up managerial minds.
Hello, it isn't just a notice board, it gives all the information relating to official notices. It depicts all the information about Kiams in brief. This is placement board. It delineates the placements obtained by PGDM students in respective years.
The college gives great importance to all the traditional and cultural values, and the cleanliness of the college is extremely remarkable. There are classrooms which are completely air conditioned with all technologies and facilities required to teach in most effective manner. We have two mess areas where students of Kiams gather to eat their meals. The mess provides us with nutritious and hygienic food that is necessary for a sound mind and body.
Knowledge is free at the library. Just bring your own container. A library is a very useful platform that brings together people willing to learn. We develop our reading habits from a library and satisfy our thirst and curiosity of knowledge. The library in Kiams has all kinds of necessary books and study materials that helps in personal growth and development of a person.
There are various events organized in the campus, and the auditorium is the go-to place for all these events. The auditorium is extremely spacious with all requirements. Right now we have some friends performing some dance rehearsal. Let's go see that.